You stand up after a long sit and your lower back is seized. Stiff, locked, aching, so you rest it and you protect it. That is exactly the wrong move, and the reason is hiding in how your back responds to being still. That deep, stiff ache after a long drive or a full day at a desk, where the lower back feels locked and won't move freely. It's one of the most common complaints there is. And the usual advice, rest it, protect it, sit up perfectly straight, misses what's actually going on. Here's your lower back, the lumbar spine with the erector spinae muscles running alongside it. Sit slumped in a flexed position for long enough and those muscles do something protective. They guard. They tighten to brace the spine. That guarding is the stiffness you feel. It isn't damage, it's your muscles bracing. So if it's guarding and not damage, why does resting make it worse? Because muscles that are guarding need movement to let go. In a large Cochrane review, people with low back pain who were told to stay active did better than those told to rest in bed. Rest keeps the guard switched on. Movement switches it off. So what actually helps? 1. Break up your sitting. Get up and change position often. Your next posture is the best posture. 2. When it seizes, gently move it. Easy mobility, not rigid rest. 3. Build it stronger. Your back and hips are made to be loaded, so train them, don't just protect them. 1 red flag: if you get pain shooting down your leg, numbness, or any change in your bladder or bowels, see a practitioner. So your seized up back isn't damaged. It's stiff from being still. Move it, don't rest it. This is educational content, not a diagnosis. If your pain is severe or isn't improving, see a registered practitioner. Subscribe. Next week, what actually happens when a hamstring tears?